Exposing the genius in everyday life. Here are 10 life hacks to make your day easier. Hack hash 1. Struggling with tangled earbuds? Wrap them around a binder clip. Tangle-free music, here we come. Hack hash 2. Need to chill your drink fast? Wrap it in a wet paper towel and pop it in the freezer for 15 minutes. Boom! Ice cold. Hack hash 3. Hate watery iced coffee. Freeze leftover coffee in ice cube trays. Your iced coffee stays strong. Hack hash 4. Keep your laptop cool by placing it on an egg carton. Cheap, easy, and it works. Hack hash 5. Use a clothespin to hold a nail while hammering. Save your fingers, thank me later. Hack hash 6. Got a stuck zipper. Rub a pencil on it. Graphite to the rescue. Hack hash 7. Can't find the end of the tape. Stick a paper clip on it. No more frustration. Hack hash 8. Freshen up smelly shoes with a tea bag. Instant odor absorber. Hack hash 9. Use a pool noodle to keep boots upright. No more floppy boots. Hack hash 10. Need more closet space and use soda can tabs to double hang your clothes. Closet space for days. Try these hacks, thank us later. Subscribe for more life-changing tips.